In this video, I will show you how to clear incognito history on Android. So let's get started. Incognito mode usually doesn't save your search history, but it might not remove your search queries from DNS records. That's why it's a good idea to delete your incognito history for fully private internet browsing. First, open Chrome browser on your Android mobile. Now in the address bar, type the command chrome:// net internals slash hash DNS. You will find this command in the description. Once you enter the command, just hit enter. A DNS lookup interface will open. On the left side, just tap DNS. Now tap Clear Host Cache button and your Android device DNS cache will be deleted. Now you can close Chrome browser. So that is how you can clear incognito history on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.